Here's problem 3 from the 2005 AMC 8. What is the minimum number of small squares that must be colored black so that a line of symmetry lies on the diagonal BD of square ABCD? The choices are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Here is the 4x4 grid. The corners are labeled A, B, C, and D, and some small squares are already colored black. We want the diagonal from B to D to be a line of symmetry. That means folding the grid along BD must match every black square with another black square. So reflect each black square across the diagonal. Every black square that is off the diagonal needs its mirror image to be black too. 4 of those mirror squares are still white, so we must color those 4 mirror squares black. The minimum number of additional squares is 4, which is choice D.